Welcome to Artistic Interior, the ultimate destination for all things home and design. Today, we're talking about a design element that can completely transform your living room: colorful couches. From bold statements to subtle elegance, I'll show you how the right couch can elevate your space. Stay tuned for some amazing ideas. Why colorful couches are essential. Why settle for a plain couch when you can have one that sparks joy every time you walk into the room? Colorful couches are more than just furniture. They're a conversation starter, a mood booster, and the key to creating a unique and inviting living room. Trending bold couches. Let's dive into bold designs that make an instant impact. Imagine a cobalt blue Chesterfields sofa. It's classic yet vibrant. Or a bright red velvet couch with golden legs, oozing luxury. These are perfect for anyone who loves making a statement. Pastels for a soothing space. For a more relaxed vibe, pastel-toned couches are your go-to. A lavender sofa can bring a serene touch, while a baby blue couch is perfect for a breezy coastal aesthetic. These shades work well with natural materials like wood and rattan. Multifunctional and modular couches. Modular couches in bold colors are a game changer, especially for multi-purpose living rooms. You can rearrange them to fit your mood or needs. Think orange modular couches with detachable sections that offer both functionality and style. Patterned and artistic couches. Why stick to solid colors when you can explore patterns? A multicolored patchwork couch adds an artistic, bohemian vibe. Or try floral prints for a vintage charm. These couches are perfect for those who love a bit of whimsy in their decor. Neutral couches with a pop of color. If you're not quite ready to commit to a colorful couch, start with a neutral sofa and layer it with colorful pillows, throws, or ottomans. It's a flexible way to experiment with color without overwhelming the space. How to style bold couches. Bold couches can be styled in a variety of ways. For example, a mustard yellow couch pairs beautifully with navy blue accents for a modern look. For a playful vibe, pair a fuchsia sectional with multicolored throw pillows and funky artwork. Matching couches to room size. Room size plays a big role in your couch choice. In smaller spaces, go for lighter tones or compact designs like a mint green love seat. Larger rooms can accommodate bold colors and larger sectionals, like a teal or purple curved sofa. Color psychology in living room design. Colors can affect your mood and the atmosphere of your room. For example, red is energizing and perfect for entertaining spaces, while blue is calming and ideal for relaxation. Green couches can evoke freshness, and yellows bring warmth and cheer. Balancing bold couches with neutral elements. When you choose a bold couch, balance it with neutral walls and subtle decor. This lets the couch shine without overwhelming the space. For example, a lime green sofa pairs perfectly with white walls and light wood furniture. Exploring luxury couches. For those looking for a touch of luxury, consider velvet or leather finishes. A deep teal velvet couch screams sophistication, while a turquoise leather sofa with metallic legs is ultra-modern and chic. So, are you ready to add a pop of color to your living room? Let us know your favorite couch style in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!